Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And I know I look a little crazy today, but there is a reason for this madness. I came across a photo of me of about, maybe it was 4 years ago, and I had sister locks, and my hair was in this like top bun. It was so cute. I loved it. And I thought, you know what? I want to try this style on my loose natural hair, but I have a limitation. The top of my hair is shorter and it's not full the way it was 4 years ago, but with a little bit of creative juices, I think I can do this hairstyle. So I decided I would just turn the camera on and show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to figure it out on camera. So as you can see, my hair is in some big, chunky 2-strand twists. Clearly nothing fancy, but I twisted it because I wanted my hair to be stretched. Normally I have it in a wash and go, but I wanted a little bit more hang time. So I put it in big, chunky twists. And as you can tell, so nothing spectacular about these twists. So I'm going to start right here in the front, and I'm going to take these twists out right in the front to achieve this look. Now the top part, the way I twisted it, this part, I don't know, is, let me get back like this so you can see it. This part of my hair is really like the shortest and the thinnest part. So what I did, I pulled some hair forward from right at the top of my head just to make this bun a little thicker. So if you are someone who's dealing with thinner hair in the top, this may be a style that you can try. All right, I don't have really pristine parts or anything like that, so don't worry about that, but the hair is parted like ear to ear, but the parts aren't perfect, and that's okay. The top of my hair with all the gray is super, super dry, so I want this top part just to look a little bit curlier, so I'm just gonna mist it a little bit, just a little right in here. And I'm going to apply a little bit of gel. Just right here in the top. You see my waves coming in? I'm gonna put a little bit more gel. And this gel, this is by Design Essentials, Honey Curling Custard. I have a ton of gel, so I just grabbed one. Okay, you see that the curls popping out a little bit more? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down those edges. So I'm using a product called My Gel by Joy Naturals. It is not literally My Gel. It's called My Gel. But I'm just laying down my edges. Okay, edges are laid down. And now I'm gently brushing the hair back. Now I'm gonna put this hair at the top in a ponytail. All right, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to take a wrap strip, just wrap it around my hair. I'm gonna leave it like this, probably for about 10 minutes, just to lay these edges down. Okay, so it's been about 10 or 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. You can definitely let the wrap stay on longer, particularly if your hair is wetter, but I just wanted to lay it down just for a few minutes. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, this is where the magic happens. I need to take this hair and create a full bun. Now, I am going to use this. Can you see this? This is some weave. This is crochet hair that has a loop at the end. So I'm going to use this to stuff my bun. So I'm taking a pin and putting it right there in the loop. I'm going to take another piece and put it in the loop. I'm actually going to put 3 pieces up here. Okay, so after you have put your hair on your bobby pin, then for this hair, separate the hair. Now, as you can see, this hair has some gray in it because my hair is gray, but there are different types of crochet hair that you can use. I like this because it's very, very similar to my texture. So I have just unraveled that twisted crochet hair. Now I'm going to take this bobby pin and just stick it right here at the base of my bun. Now, all I'm gonna do now is wrap this hair around. Oops, let's try that again. Normally I cut out these bloopers, but I think some of them are actually quite funny. Okay, let's try that one more time. I'm gonna put another bobby pin just to make sure it doesn't pop out. All right, so I'm gonna put another bobby pin just to secure it. Okay, I think it's secured now. I'm gonna take this hair and I'm going to wrap it underneath my hair. All right. So I have the weave wrapped underneath my natural hair. If you want a fuller bun, you can add more hair, but I don't want a super, super big bun. I just want to stuff it just to give it a little bit of volume. And the next thing I'm going to do, I am gonna put a pin in here, first of all, just to secure that weave. And then I'm gonna take my hair and wrap my hair around the bun. I'm using a pick. It's not even a full wrap. It's like a tuck. And I'm just using the base of this comb just to tuck it. I'm going to start to secure it using some pins. I hope you can see this, y'all, because it is kind of difficult for me to see what I'm doing on this cell phone, but I'm going to keep on going. All right, so this is almost done. Before I actually finish it off, I want to give myself a little bump or pompadour right here. So I'm gonna take a rat tail comb and I'm just going to pull out my natural hair. I'm coming around the sides as well. Okay, so I pulled that out just to give myself a little bit of bump, and I'm going to secure the bun, and there we go. There's my little top bun. I know it's not big, but adding the weave underneath the hair just gives it a base to secure the bun and gives it more volume. So the next thing, I'm gonna come back here and just take out the rest of my hair. There we go. I like it. Now I'm gonna take this comb just a little, fluff it out a little bit more, just to give myself a little bit of volume in the back. All right. I think I look cute. I think I look like I'm in my 20s. The finishing touches for me, even though I'm in my 40s, I like my baby hair to come out. So I'm just gonna bring this baby hair out just a little bit. All right. There we go. What you think? So here's my before, and here's my inspiration picture, and here's my after. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to turn the camera on and just show you how I do this. So I'm getting in the habit of doing that a little bit more. And if you're looking for a fabulous product line designed by me that is geared toward healthy hair and healthy hair growth, I encourage you to consider the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And until we talk again, stay tuned.